Okay, we have a 1994 Ford Ranger XL. We're gonna go ahead and replace the tailgate bushings that goes here and here. First, you're gonna bring up your tailgate, straighten out this wire here, pull it back, pull this little flap upwards, up, see, pull it up, and push this forward. It slides out. For the next one, slide this up. Okay, you're gonna pull up this tab. Push this forward. Push it forward like that. And that comes out. Once you have that off, you're going to slide this guy out. And then this guy pops out to the side. And you have your tailgate off. This is the repair kit we're going to use. Dorman tailgate hinge inserts. Part number. Order this on Amazon for $6. After savagely opening the package, we're going to take this one here that's at an angle, and we are going to, this eventually just slides in here like that, but this goes on the tailgate. Then this one just goes on the tailgate also and eventually slides in there. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and spray a little looby dooby in here. Perfect. And then we're gonna try to fit this guy right up in there. Alright, let's see, I have a bent tab. I'm going to try to fit this guy in first. Yep, I hope there was more instructions on this. Okay, what I've done here is I just pretty much lined up the bushing, and I'm just seriously going to push the crap out of it in just like that, and it's installed. Perfect. Thumbs up and approved. Okay, now the other side, you're gonna take this little tub looking thing and just push it all the way to the very end, and it is installed. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the tailgate back on. With your tailgate in place, we're gonna go ahead and slide this side first into that hole. Oh, come on. This is what happens when you do things all by yourself. 1 second here. Let's go ahead and lift it. There we go. Slides in. Now this guy is gonna go ahead, pick it up, and slide in. Suéltame. Now, you're going to take this guy. You're just simply going to insert larger side, slide it back, and you're all set. Just do the next one, and voila. Approved. We also installed approved valve cover caps on all 4 wheels.